Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to resell on Shopify and how you can create a business out of this. So basically we're gonna have to use Shopify for creating the store. Now as you can see, you're gonna get 3 months basically for just $1, as you can see, for the first 3 months. And then we can set up our store. And the thing is that we're gonna have to get the products. So we can get the products from this website, which is called AliDrop. And as you can see, they have some plans that will allow you to basically look for winning products like bags, watches, etc. And you can import them directly to your Shopify store and basically resell them at a higher price. So basically this is how Shopify reselling businesses work. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.